Many times when working on a portal project, the existing starter portal templates do not meet our particular business requirements, or we may not even be using any of the Dynamics 365 apps, such as Dynamics 365 Sales or Dynamics 365 Service, but instead we might be building our own custom Power App. In this case, we can provision a blank portal. A blank portal contains pretty much all the same key features that you would need in any portal project, such as authentication, security, the ability to add static content, and also the ability to surface common data service records. This is an example of a model-driven app that I created to manage courses, classes, registration, and feedback. What I want to do is expose the data from this app on my Power Apps portal. In the Portal Studio, I can begin to build my own custom Power Apps portal app that will link back to my common data service and my model-driven app. Here I'm just setting up a brand new page in my Power Apps portal, which I'm going to be using to surface some course data from my model-driven app and the data that's in the common data service. Here, as I create my new page, I'm going to give it a name and I'm going to update the partial URL, updating that in, of course, the properties pane of the particular web page. And once my web page is set up, I'm going to add a component. Now I have a couple different components here, but I'm going to add the list component. And that's simply just going to be able to surface common data service data on a particular page. So the first thing I need to do is give that control a name. And then the next thing I need to do is pick my particular common data service entity that I want to be able to surface on this page. So I'm going to find my courses entity, sort through all of those different entities, of course, in the common data service. And then I have a bunch of different views. Those views are coming from the model-driven app. So I'm going to choose particular views that I want to be able to have available on that portal page. Once those are selected, we'll just click in the white space to save that record. And then of course we will browse to our portal to see what this looks like. And finally, I have a page listing of common data service data. Easy as that. Now, of course, there's a lot more work to do on this particular portal. However, you can see how easy it is to use the portal from blank and begin to build a portal app linking back to the common data service.